Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 35. How to calculate year-over-year growth and moving average in SQL Server Database.
In this session, we are going to discuss about how to calculate year-over-year growth and moving average in SQL Server Database. First, we'll see year-over-year growth in SQL Server. The definition for it is year-over-year growth compares the value in the current year against the value in the previous year. There is a formula for it. First, we'll see what is lag and what is round and what is null if things which are going to be used in the year-over-year growth percentage query. We'll see lag function here. Lag function returns the value from the previous row in the result set without using a self join. Commonly used for comparing current versus previous years. For example, year over year, month over month analysis purposes, we are going to use this lag function. Example, select year total sales, lag total sales over order by year as previous year sales from sales summary table. Coming to the round function, it rounds a numeric value to specified number of decimal places, useful in financial reports or when formatting percentages. For example, select round 123.4567, 2 means it is rounded to 2 points. That means 123.46 is displayed in the output. Coming to the third point, null if. It prevents division by 0. If previous year's sales is equal to 0, it returns nulls instead of error. Anywhere it gives an error, it just returns null over there. Coming to our real-time scenarios, that is the query on year-on-year growth. There is a query, select year total sales, lag total sales over order by year. We are ordering on the year as previous year sales, and round total sales minus lag total sales over order by year into 100 divided by null if lag total sales over order by year, 0, 2 as year over year growth percentage from sales summary table order by year. We are ordering by year finally. And coming to the next question, that is moving average in SQL Server. A moving average smooths out fluctuations by calculating the average over a sliding window. That is, we are calculating example 3 months. 3 months moving average, there is a query, select month year sales round average sales over order by month year rows between 2 preceding and current rows, 2. That means 3 months moving average as moving average 3 months from monthly sales table order by month year. We'll see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SSMS, that is called SQL Server Management Studio, and we are at demo at GKey database. Here we are going to check first the sales data. For example, we are creating a table called sales summary and with the columns year and total sales, integer and decimal, and we are inserting 4 rows of data into it. 4 rows got affected, that means 4 rows have been inserted. Now we are going to see year over year growth. See, there are 4 records. We have to check year over year growth. We'll just execute the query first, and by comparing the source data, that is data in the table and the output, then we'll come to some conclusion. See, this is the previous year sales. First one we are selecting year, next one is total sales, third one is previous sales, as lag functions gives previous year. For 1 lakh, the previous year sales, there is no previous year sales, that's why it has given null. For 1,20,000, the previous year sales is 1 lakh, and for 90,000 previous year sales is 1,20,000. For 1,50,000, 90,000 is the previous year sales. In this way, this column has given the data. And coming to the third one, year on year growth, what it's going to do here, we are using the round function here, and first we are taking the total sales, that is total sales means this one, these are the total sales for each year, and we are minusing with lag total sales or order by year. Okay, we are taking the first value and minus with the this value and into, that means multiply by 100 by null if lag total sales, that means if there is 0 we are replacing with the null values. For these value, previous values are null, that means 0, that means we have given the null value for this, and we are rounding this value to 0, and is there any, we are replacing the value 0 and we are rounding the value for 2. In such a way we have got this output, like here is compared to the previous year, this year is 20% is in positive phase and 25% is in negative phase and 66.67% is in positive phase. In this way we are just comparing the data with year on year growth. In this way we have calculated the year on year growth, and coming to the next scenario that we are going to perform is 3-month moving average. For this we are going to create a table with the data month, year and sales columns, and we are inserting around 6 rows of data for this table. The table name is monthly sales here, 6 rows got affected. Let's see how this query is going to give us the output. Here we are going to calculate 3-month moving average. See, we just execute and see with the output. We are just selecting first month year. Month year is the first column. This is the month year we are calculating, and second one is the sales, and third is the, we are rounding average sales or order by month year. We are ordering on month year and rows between 2 preceding, that means 2 previous values we are going to preceding. For the first one, the preceding, there is no preceding value. For the second one, 2 preceding means only one value is there, and third one there are 2 preceding values for this, and this one, these are the 2 preceding values. Like this it is going to calculate the value. For 100 is 100, here it is going to calculate 1000 plus 1500, that means 1250. In such a way it is going to calculate moving 3-month average. Here we are not calculating totals, we are calculating the average that we are taking. As for this, we are summing all these values and dividing by 3. In such a way we are going to get this value. For this value we are summing all these 3 values and dividing by 3, and we are going to get this value. For the first value we are not having the previous value, that's why we have given the 1000. Second one we are summing up these 2 values divided by 3. In such a way it is going to give us this value. In this way we are going to like create or get the values for the scenario to get 3 months moving average. I think we got some idea about the year over year growth query and 3 months moving average query. We'll be having these scripts in the description of our video. If you want, you can download and use them for your practical purposes. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.